Hey, it's Krista with WTI. Do you have hardwood or tile floors and you need to warm up that space? Well, the Safavieh 6-foot round rug is the perfect addition to home decor to give you that warmth and elegance in any room. The rug's woven material is super soft and cushiony, and it feels great to the touch and even better on your feet. I think it's really important to stick with timeless over trendy design in my home decor, and this rug really checks that box. It has a classic round shape. The size is just perfect to fit in multiple spaces in my home, and the color, the silver and ivory tones, are really neutral and they match well with any style of decor, which makes it super versatile and means it's going to stick with me for a long time. So if you're looking for a rug that's beautiful and that stands the test of time both in design and durability, the Safavieh 6-foot round rug is just the rug for you. And that's my point of view.